Hey guys, welcome back to another Makeup Monday with me, Letty. I hope you all had a wonderful Mother's Day. I can give you a good Mother's Day. So today I'm going to be doing like a super fun, colorful makeup look that I hope that you guys will enjoy as much as I do. I have already done the base of my makeup. You can go look at that in the video here. Should be a little link just right there. Start off, I'm going to be taking some purple and I am dabbing that on the outer part of my eye. Just kind of dabbling it up on top and underneath, and using circular motions to blend it out. Right, then I'm going to be taking kind of like a light pink color, and I'm going to be using that to blend out the edges more. And I want to make sure that I'm dragging this down into my cheek as well. Okay, then I'm taking a darker purple and I'm just going to dab that into the inner corner to give it a little bit more dimension. And now I'm going to be taking a nice mint color and I'm just going to put that on the inner part of my eye. So I'm dabbing that in, taking it under the eye a bit, and then I'm going to start to blend it up. Now I'm not really going into the middle because in the middle I'm going to be using a different color. And I'm taking a nice softer mint. I'm going to use that to blend the edges out more. Alright, so now I'm going to cut the crease. To do that, I'm taking some concealer and I'm wiping that on my eyelid here. Looking up and filling that in. Just gonna tap the end there. So now I'm gonna be taking a very light, sparkly eyeshadow and putting it where I just cut the crease. And I'm just gonna do that with my finger. I'm just dabbing it in. Okay, now we're going for eyeliner time. You guys already know how I do my eyeliner, so I'm just gonna speed through this. Alright, so now I'm going to be taking some white eyeliner, putting that on a flat brush, and I'm just going to line where the cut crease is. Alright, I'm gonna dust just a little bit of purple under my nose. Going to add some purple highlighter to the tip of my nose and the bridge of my nose. And pat that onto my cheeks. All right, I'm gonna go finish the look and I will be right back. Hey guys, so this is the finished look. Honestly, it's, love it. I hope you guys like it too. Here's a closer look. I'm also obsessed with these eyelashes that I got. I got them off Amazon. I'll link them in my bio. They're, ooh, I love them. Yeah, I hope you guys love it. I love it. I don't do colorful looks that often anymore. I used to do colorful looks all the time, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know that you like this video, like this look, want to see more colorful looks or just easy looks that you can do. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Twitch if you want to see me do some live makeup, and I'm doing a special anniversary stream on June 4th, so don't miss out on that. Again, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys for all of the love and support that you give. I love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. Again, I hope you all had a wonderful Mother's Day, and I hope you have a wonderful week. Thank you so much. Bye.